Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $180 a day using AI, the side hustle for the beginners in 2023, step by step. So let's get started. So first of all, we are making here a storybook for kids or the storybooks. So we can just search as here as in Google, we have to search as story books for kids. Okay. So as you can see here, we have a storybook. So we can just open here Amazon.com to take the idea. So let's open our Amazon.com. So here we can see we have Amazon. So we will search as kids book. So here we can see we have many books. So have to just see the average costing. So the average costing is approx like $9 to $15. I'm saying that paperback version. So we have storybooks. So we are making a storybook for the kids. So we will target any book and type of book. So to target the book, we are seeing here Dragon Story Thoughts. Here is Hiccups for Toms. So we have many books here. We have Ricky the York. We have Goodnight Moon. So we have the Foot Book. So first of all, we will take the average price of $5 to $15, and we will just open new tab, and we can just open Chat GPT to write the book. So here we will ask a Chat GPT to give me ideas for my storybook, kid storybook. So we'll ask it, give me ideas for storybooks for kids. Okay, so we will ask the idea. So here we can see I'm asking the idea, but it's written in the book. So the chapter idea. So as you can see here, the chapter ideas are the enhanced forest, the magical potion. Here is the idea. Just state like idea with the book, the greatest friendship trace. So we can just create anything that is easy to read from a child point of view. So let's take this chapter, the magic potion. So we can just ask ChatGPT to write the book. Write a kids story book on a magic potion. So here is the magic potion adventure. So here we can see the storybook is getting ready. So we will read one time and check the book is ready. Like it is a good product or not. So we'll see here it's writing. So we'll wait. So here we can see the book is written by the Chat GPT. So we can just see the book. So here we can just read once upon a time. Just read and review the book. So let's overview one time. So the book is about the magic potion that was found in adventure, and you can see the Lily grandmother that prepared a special Asian recipe. So here we can see this book is good. So we will write here, give me moral of the story. So you can just give me the moral of the story. So here we can see it's here. So we will next. So here we can see the story is ready. So here is a moral of the story. So we can see. So to create the storybook properly, we will use here as our Canva. So Canva is a graphic designing site or a app. So I will search here for Canva. So we can use as canva.com. So here we can just close this. So here we are having Canva. So in Canva, we can just search as here for the uh, book. So here we can just see as we can search as kid books. We try again. So we can just go to our home. So we can just search as your book. Okay. So we'll search as books. So here are the template. So we can just take a storybook type of a theme. So let us create a storybook. So we'll go to Canva. So we'll search as here as a storybook. As a storybook. So as you can see, so we can just take here as this. So this gives us a 5-page pre-made. So we can just click on here. So we can just see it's loading. So it's there. We can just scroll down and see the book. So first of all, we will take only the front page of the book and we'll delete the others. So first of all, we will just copy this. So we'll delete this all file. So it will take a time. So it's not done. So here we will open our chat GPT and we'll scroll up. So here we can see our title is The Magic Potion Adventure. So we will write here with title. Delete this. So we'll increase the font size. And here we can see we have to delete this also. So here we will just create a magic potion, like a potion of magic from a kid also. So just delete here. So we have to just delete this. So let's take this kid for example. So we can just do like here, this kid, and here's your eye. So we will just element size a potion. So we can just add the potion as the drinking, and let's add this potion. This potion is not looking as the animated, so we'll do graphics. So in the graphics, we can see we can just add potion in her hand, or we can just keep the potion here. So our first page is ready. So we can just make a new page. In a new page, we can make the story, and from here, by making the story, we can just like publish in our Amazon, and we can just sell. And easily your storybook will sell because children's parents are ready to spend a big amount of money to them. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.